Howdy, 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 howdy. Dr. Herringbone, I'm Jerry Brown. My friend Isaac Durr over there on the camera as usual. And we're showing off a guitar that we bought out on a trip that we had out to Nashville. We went out to a guitar show out there and had a really great time at the Amigo Guitar Show. Some really nice people. And I bought this guitar, and we're gonna call it Bob, I think. I bought it from the host of the show out there. And it's obviously had a lot of love that came along with it over the years. And I'll show you some of the fun things that came with it and what we've done with it since we got it back. Regretful that we didn't go ahead and do a video before and after, because we've used the Tone Traveler on it a bunch and it sounds a whole lot better than it did. Easy said that after the fact, but anyway, here's some of the stuff that I got back with. As it turns out, well, I'll start out with this piece. This is the original fingerboard, and underneath it was this big old, probably a shingle from a house, I'd guess. It's probably a cedar shingle. And this was up under the fingerboard. And this is really some hillbilly brilliance here. The original owner, I'm guessing his name was Bob, decided they couldn't do a neck reset or didn't know how. So what they did is they raised the entire fingerboard up by shoving this shingle up under there. And it probably worked, but I bet it didn't sound very good. They had also put this gigantic-sized pickguard on here. We've got the other part somewhere. So that came off, and we had fun and put an engagement ring stone in there, so that's a diamond in there. We figured it couldn't hurt anything. And it was all original otherwise, though. The original bridge plate, there were 2 or 3 bridge plates piled on top of each other. All original tuners and bridge plate, like I said, and all the bracing, and really there's no cracks in it. It does have a hole for a jack in it, but otherwise it's a fabulous fun guitar. It didn't sound like this, like I said, when we first got it. It's amazing how much of a change coming back to life.